This water is the house water, which is free here, but like $5 in the restaurants. This is very expensive stuff, so we can't break it. In here is some other snacks that are very, very expensive, so we can't eat it. Welcome to the Waldorf Astoria Maldives. This is room 123, and we were upgraded to this villa for our last night here. This is a grand ocean view.
Over water.
Over water. They're all ocean view. Over water grand villa. So welcome. Please come in. Over here, if you care, you can, rinse your hand off.
Pull it to the side.
How do you?
You slide it. Yeah, okay.
And we slide. Welcome. Over here are two bicycles exclusively for room 123 that can take you around the island. And follow me as we walk towards our outdoor living space. Over here we have a choice of seating options. There's two people, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 13 different seats you could choose from. This over here is a swinging daybed. And if you get a little too hot, there's a fan above there that will certainly keep you cool. This you can have eat over here. Down over here are two nets over the water where you can certainly sit on. And you can rest and relax while you look down into the ocean. This looks like it's coming out a little bit, so I think maybe that one's the better one to use. Over here are two nice loungers with a very nice terry cloth cover. Over here is a private pool. Oh, it feels nice on this hot day. Over here is another dining table. And if you want to be on a lounge day bed, but get a little more sun, this is the option for you. Over here, as we make our way inside of the villa,
I might actually put this on YouTube.
we have to go in the front door there. Welcome. Over here, we have our living space with a beautiful TV with a window that do open up that overlook the ocean. So these, I believe, will slide all the way open. Like so you can get a little bit of fresh breeze if you want. Over here is the wine that we had not finished, so they put it in here, as well as a fruit basket. Yeah, if we come over here, this water is the house water, which is free here, but like $5 in the restaurants. This is very expensive stuff, so we can't break it. In here is some other snacks that are very, very expensive, so we can't eat it. Some cups in there. In here, some coffee plates that stay here. In here, these are, I'm not sure, but these are coasters, so these stay here too. And then in here, we have like a $10 Twix bar. That's the price.
Is it really 10?
Yeah, the prices are a little high. Over here, we have another seating area, and here you can see that there's a back view. All the blinds here are automatic. So with a press of a button, the blinds will go up and down just like that. As we make our way over to the main bedroom area, this is a king bed, very big bed. There's a little chair over here. Everything in the room can be controlled also by this iPad here, where you just press it on, and all the controls will be on here. Over here is another seating option. A desk to get your hair ready for in the morning. And as we make our way into the bathroom area, we find the closets on the left and the right side. That can be separated by these beautiful pocket doors right here. But are you ready for the highlight of the room? This right over here, this square, overlooks the ocean. So you can step on it. Supposedly they have lights underneath it, so you can look underneath it as well. This is an upgraded room. Our first room did not have this. And then follow me. Oh, and then all the closets here, they have automatic lights. So when you open it, the lights go on automatically. Over here is a big eggshell bathtub. This can easily fit a family of 4. As you can notice, Aesop soaps. These bath bombs are $10 each if you want to use it. So, not much, but the salt here is free. And this all overlooks the ocean over here. This door here, which I don't believe we had in our other room.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, we did have another room. Also opens up so you can get some fresh air while you're in your eggshell. If you follow me over here, this is the first of 2 showers in this room. This shower here has a massaging shower head just touch. Also featuring Aesop soaps, of course. We have 2 sinks, his and a hers, or his and a his, or hers and a hers, or over here is ready. Did you get that? See, it goes up by itself when you enter in. There's digital panel over there, and also a bidet sprayer there too. So you have a choice of bidets, whichever you would like to use, feel more comfortable with. Over here is a rainfall shower. As you can see, a very, very big shower head. And a seat here as well, so if you get tired of standing, you can have a seat too. What else? These are just decorations. There's nothing in there. Just decorations. I have to stay at the hotel.
Please do not take them home.
So you can't take those home. And that's it. And over here, there's another closet where you have two bathrobes. One is smaller than the other, but they'll be more than happy to get you the proper size if needed. You have yoga mats in here. If you don't like sun, this is an umbrella you can use to protect you from the sun. And that's it. That is the room here. It is the Grand Ocean Overwater Villa at the Waldorf Astoria Maldives Ithaafushi. Bye.